This video illustrates how to use Sparx Systems Enterprise Architect simulation features with an interactive user interface. Our example is a simulated elevator. We have created a state machine to model the behavior of the elevator. Follow the instructions at the top of the state machine diagram to run the simulation. The simulation has started. The elevator screen interface appears. The state diagram will display the state transitions as they occur. Active states are in colors, while inactive states are dimmed. Elevator screen shows the current elevator status in a text edit control. The elevator screen displays 4 buttons for possible floors that can call the elevator. The elevator screen displays 4 buttons for the destination floors that passengers can request once inside the elevator. Let's start by calling the elevator from floor 1. Since the elevator current position is floor 1, the elevator opens its doors as indicated in the status text. Then the elevator doors close. The passenger requests going to the 4th floor. The elevator goes up from floor to floor, as indicated by the status text. When the elevator reaches the 4th floor, its doors open letting the passenger out. Then the elevator doors close. A passenger on the 1st floor calls the elevator. The elevator goes down from floor to floor, as indicated by the status text. When the elevator reaches the 1st floor, its doors open letting the passenger in. Then the elevator doors close. The passenger requests exiting on the 4th floor. The elevator goes up to the 4th floor and opens its doors and closes them. A passenger calls the elevator from the 3rd floor. The elevator goes down to the 3rd floor and opens its doors and closes them. The passenger requests exiting at the 1st floor. The elevator goes down to the 1st floor and opens its doors then closes them. This is the end of our simulation run. We stop the simulation. The elevator screen is closed, and we are back in design mode. Let's take a look at the elevator screen diagram. We see the same user interface controls as in during the simulation run. Let's now look into the elements of the elevator state machine. The various states are linked by transition having triggers and guard values indicating the conditions required for a state transition to occur. The state machine contains 3 concurrent or parallel flows. The top flow controls the elevator motion between floors and the opening and closing of the elevator doors. The middle flow controls calling the elevator from each floor. The bottom flow controls requesting an exit floor out of the elevator. Let's look at the state name. Current elevator floor contains 2 operations: display and next destination floor. The project browser shows these operations under the current elevator floor state element. The next destination floor operation has a behavior property that contains the script controlling the motion of the elevator and the opening of its doors. The display operation has a behavior property that contains the script controlling what message appears in the elevator screen status text. On the elevator screen diagram, each button is linked to a trigger event using the on-click tag value. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you for